In today's video, we're taking a look at how to make homemade or DIY hand sanitizer. This is so easy, anyone could do. The recipes and everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. And these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need rubbing alcohol, preferably 99%, aloe vera gel, a funnel, an empty bottle, essential oils, or you can even use lemon juice, a spoon, and a mixing bowl. And we're going to need 2/3 of the cup of rubbing alcohol. We're going to pour this in our mixing bowl. Now we're going to extract 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera gel. And we're not leaving no gel behind on our watch. We could go ahead and dump that on the mixing bowl. Take our spoon or fork and mix it well. You can add a few drops of essential oils. If you don't have, you can even add a few drops of lemon juice. And we mean it when we mean we're not leaving no gel behind. And as fast as we can before anything evaporates, we're gonna go ahead and funnel this to an empty bottle. And now you have your DIY hand sanitizer. And here at the StatUpBox team, we want you to stay safe. You know we love you guys. Don't forget, if you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.